What's up, everybody? Thomas here. So we're back again. I was working on the merkur, so I'll give you an update on some information. So I found a part of the vacuum leaks. You can't really see it right now, but this vacuum tree thing, it has a few leaks on it. I don't know if it's because of the hoses themselves or if the plastic itself is cracked. This thing is very old and it is plastic. So you can see there are some bubbles coming out around this main hose here. And additionally around some of these smaller hoses. A lot of them look closer to in the corner, so I'm suspecting there are micro fractures and stuff in this thing as well. Again, I don't think that's the whole issue because I suspect it was cracked before. But that's at least part of the issue, so I'm going to try and fix that. So that's one thing I found. There may be other things as well that are leaking or have vacuum leaks, but I'm not sure where they are yet. I did try spraying it down with soapy water and putting some air pressure in there. It didn't really seem to have found anything aside from those things, but one step at a time, of course, I guess. And I'm kind of worried that the brake booster might be malfunctioning. That would be my next that's like a big problem kind of thing. And I had a smoke machine out here on it as well. Again, my exhaust leaks. I could tell that from the smoke machine. And so we'll continue checking tomorrow, and maybe not tomorrow, but anyways, I've got a wheel bearing to do tomorrow, but we'll see. Anyways, like and subscribe, and peace.